Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send encrypted email in Gmail. So firstly we need to open a Gmail application in our device and then click Compose button to start the new email. And here in the upper right corner you want to click three-dot button and select confidential mode. And now you need to set the expiration date of your email. This is the date when your email will be no longer accessible. So it can be 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 5 years. Click Done button, and for extra security you can require SMS passcode to view the email that you sent. So when you're done setting your setting expiration date and passcode, you need to submit by clicking this icon, and now you see that this content will expire on May 11th. And I need to note that recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email, which is perfect for us when we want some security. That's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.